In this video, we show you the best laptops for illustrators available to buy. At number 6. Microsoft Surface Book 2. We have different types of Windows laptop till yet, but all of them have somewhere lack of something. But the Microsoft Surface Book 2 is probably the best option for Windows laptop, which is offering almost all features. Despite such a powerful processing and graphics performance, this laptop has the longest battery life in our rundown. It can last up to 16 hours on video playback with just a single charge, which is not less than a miracle. At number 5. Apple MacBook Pro 15. The latest MacBook Pro is offering the latest Intel Core i7 and i9 processors, but for us the Intel Core i7 version is sufficient. This variant which I am talking about is powered by the i7-8750H and Radeon Pro 555X 4GB graphics chip, therefore, there will no any compromise in the performance or graphics processing. Additionally, the latest MacBook Pro is available in 256GB to 1TB storage capacity with 16GB memory. You can pick as per your requirements. At number 4. ASUS FX705GM. Absolutely. Calling a gigantic beast to this laptop won't be an exaggeration, it has some different properties which are justifying that tag. It is offering a bigger 17-inch screen with one of the most powerful Intel Core i7 8th Gen processor with 4.1 GHz. Wait, if you are expecting a good battery life, I am very sorry, you need to look elsewhere. It is a high-performance large laptop which is capable to replace your desktop. At number 3. Acer Predator Helios 300. If you're looking for a mid-range laptop for your illustration work, the Acer Predator Helios 300 might be a solid option. Actually, it's one of the most popular gaming laptops from the Acer Predator series, which has been liked by many professional gamers, therefore, it has powerful graphics performance. That's why it could be a solid choice for designing work. At number 2. Dell i55-77-5335 Black Puss. While Acer Aspire E15 is the great laptop without any doubt for budget-oriented people, but it's like playing close to the boundary line. If you want to shift toward the safe zone, you'll need something better hardware configuration. The Dell i55-77 is the perfect candidate for this position. It is offering a quad-core processor with a better NVIDIA GTX 1054GB dedicated graphics card, which is really appreciable for a cheap price. First of all, Dell i55-77-5335 Black Puss is offering a 15-inch Full HD anti-glare LED backlit screen, which provides something better visuals. At number 1. Acer Aspire E15. As I said in the buyer's guide, the Intel i3-8130U at 3.4 GHz processor is the only option that I would like to recommend in a budget laptop for illustrators below i5 series. But, until you're not on a very tight budget, I don't recommend an i3 processor also. This Intel Core i5 model is offering a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display, which is not the highest one but good for designing work. As you can see, it is an IPS screen, therefore, the color quality and view angle are going to be good.